when you have a question like this, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that the power is sorted out. How do we sort the power out? If we remember and we recall, under logarithm law, it means that when you have log of anything there, okay, and it has the power of n, for example, law of log says this can come here, and it will give us n to the log of n. So let's apply that first. Let's take care of all these powers. So they will be coming to the front here. So what do we now have? This means we have 4 log 3 to base 2 multiplied by 5 log 4 to base 3 multiplied by 6 log 5 to base 4. It multiplies like that until you get to 65 log 64 to base of 63. So that is sorted out. So the next thing we have to do now is to use the change of base in terms of log. Let's recall also, law of log says when you have log, for example, of a to base b, can be written as log of a divided by log of b, provided they are having the same base, and most of the time it can be base 10, and which can be calculated using our calculator directly. So let's come down here and apply this formula here. So it means we'll be having 4 to log 3 divided by log 2, this log of 2, multiplied by 5 log of 4 divided by log of 3, multiplied by 6 to log of 5 divided by log of 4. It multiplies and goes like that until you have 65 to log of 64 divided by log of 63. Looking at this critically, you can see that every logarithm part cancels out, because this cancels this cancels this. It goes on and on like that with this dot. It goes on until it gets to where the initial log of 63 will also cancel this. So they will cancel each other. We will be left with only this. Every other logarithm will cancel each other, and this also, since it's a continuum, this will also cancel another one, because we believe it continues like that. It's a continuum. So what do we now do? Since everything will cancel out, so we'll be left with this 4. So it will now be equal to 4 dot, since it cancels out, because this cancels this cancels this, and this cancels another one which is invisible. Another invisible one cancels this. Okay? It goes like that. So we are left with 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. So it goes until it gets to 65. Don't forget, z is equal to x factorial. So this can also be equal to the x factorial. Okay? Because they want us to find factorial. And what does factorial mean? Let's recall. For example, we have 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. Another example, we have 7 factorial. 7 factorial means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So factorial means you multiply as you decrease until it gets to 1. That's what this one is saying, that x factorial is what? Now, it means that, looking at this, for us to have 6, 5, 4, it means it's possible. We can take it that it starts from 2. Okay, because log of 1 is 0. So we start from 2 to 3 to 4, 5, 6, they multiply like that, goes on and on until it gets to 65. Okay. Looking at this, it means this is the biggest value. So this can multiply down because 65 factorial means 65 times 64 times 63 times 62 until it gets to 2. So in the actual sense, it means that our 65 factorial will be equal to x factorial because this is a factorial. So therefore, these are similar. Factorial cancels factorial. Therefore, our x is equal to 65. So this is the answer. We have to get our x. Our x is 65. If you find any value in this video, please give it a thumb up. Press the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to encourage us. Press the bell icon so that anytime we release video like this, you'll be notified. Thank you and God bless.